What if I told you that just 1 tablespoon of olive oil could transform your stamina, timing, and libido? Sounds unbelievable, right? But science says otherwise. Men spend thousands on performance boosters, but the real solution might already be in your kitchen. One simple change in your diet could take your energy and confidence to the next level. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal the perfect way to use it for maximum results. Miss this, and you'll miss out on a natural game changer. For centuries, olive oil has been known for its heart health benefits, but very few know that it's also a hidden secret for male sexual health. It's not just about energy. It helps with blood flow, testosterone, stamina, and even fertility. Now, let's break down the 5 major ways olive oil can boost your performance in the bedroom. Your testosterone levels control everything: strength, stamina, desire, and performance. Studies show that olive oil boosts testosterone production by up to 17% by improving cholesterol metabolism, which is essential for hormone production. More testosterone, higher libido, stronger erections, and better endurance. Forget artificial boosters. This is nature's ultimate testosterone fuel. No blood flow, no performance. Olive oil cleanses arteries and improves circulation, making sure blood reaches where it's needed most. The result? Harder, longer lasting, and more powerful erections. Men who use olive oil regularly have up to 40% lower risk of erectile dysfunction. Ever feel exhausted too soon? Olive oil contains healthy fats that provide long-lasting energy without crashes. Unlike artificial stimulants, it keeps your stamina naturally high. No more mid-action fatigue, just non-stop endurance. Feel the difference in just a few weeks. If you're planning for a family, you need strong, healthy sperm. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants and vitamin E, which increase sperm motility and protect them from damage. Studies show men who consume olive oil daily have higher sperm counts and better reproductive health. Performance isn't just physical. Your mind plays a huge role. Stress and anxiety can ruin your experience. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce cortisol levels, keeping you calm, confident, and in control. Take 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil every morning on an empty stomach. For better results, mix it with honey or a little lemon juice. Use olive oil in your diet. Drizzle it over salads. Stick to this for 3 weeks and feel the transformation in your energy, mood, and performance. Most men ignore simple solutions and look for expensive shortcuts. But you now know the truth. This golden liquid can change your life. So the question is, will you take action or stay the same? Drop a comment below if you're going to try this. Your future self will thank you.